Why do your knuckles make that weird cracking sound? Most people think it's your bones snapping together or slowly breaking, but that's not true at all. I'll explain. But first, if you love money more than your mom, ignore this. But if you love your mom more than money, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, also comment, "I love you, mom." Here's what's actually happening. Inside your joints is a slippery liquid called synovial fluid, and it's filled with tiny gases. When you bend or stretch your fingers, pressure changes inside the joint. That pressure causes small gas bubbles to form and then suddenly collapse or dissolve, and that is what creates the cracking sound you hear. So it's not your bones breaking, it's just gas popping inside your joints.